Tav Seiruv. I doubt that you ever heard this term. It means writ of refusal. And this is what a Haredi lady, an ultra-Orthodox lady from a Haredi town of Elad who turned to Hiddush for help, was confronted with. In effect, she was excommunicated by a Beit Din, a rabbinic court in her town, headed by the town's chief rabbi, operating out of the official rabbinate offices. And it excommunicated her for one sin only, her turning to a civil court in order to get an injunction against a neighbor who built illegally in a way that was infringing on her rights above her apartment, after trying to get the city to intervene, after trying to get the police to intervene. When she had no other recourse, she turned to a court for an injunction, and from that moment on, her life changed. The writ of refusal caused her and her family misery that words cannot describe. It is illegal, it is criminal, and it is done by many Batei Din, many rabbinic courts throughout the country, in order to both assert their authority and demonstrate their rejection of the legitimacy of the State of Israel, the laws of the Knesset, and the civil judiciary. I don't think you understand the extent of the conflict that is represented here between religion and state in Israel. It is true, it is not theoretic. It impacts so adversely on the life, the dignity, the rights of individuals, even within the Haredi community. And Hiddush has just submitted a petition to the Supreme Court in order to stop that, in order to get the court and the Attorney General to understand that if the full extent of the criminal law and the civil law will not be applied to prevent this from going on, we are inviting the creation of a state within a state, a lawless state, and the integrity and the future of the State of Israel is going to be seriously challenged. Watch more about it in the Hiddush website and in the link below.